Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Oh my goodness. So I tried something completely different today. Like a bang with a bob. This is new. So this is my Beauty Forever hair. I just uploaded an unboxing on this hair probably like a day or two ago by the time y'all see this video. So go check out that video of me unboxing the wig. But today I installed the wig and it was a pretty simple, easy install. It's not glued, so I can move it up, back, side to side. It's not glued down. You really don't have to glue down a wig like this because it's really simple, but this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to try something new and I really like it. So all the details on this wig will be in the description box, and thank you for watching. Okay y'all, so here's the wig. I washed it and I let it sit in conditioner for like a day. It smelled way better than when I unboxed it. Ooh. If you haven't seen my unboxing video of this wig, it'll be up in the cards. Go watch that. But today, oh yeah, and I cut the lace already, because I mean, I figure y'all know how to cut lace already. So today, where's my brush? I low-key don't want to glue it, so I'm gonna see if I can finesse it and not have to glue it. But y'all, I'm so nervous. Like, I done did my makeup, like put on these lashes, and if this wig don't turn out right, I'm gonna be so mad. But let me go ahead and take this off. I don't want y'all to see my braids, so be right back. Okay y'all, so I did cut the combs out. Ooh, this looks crazy, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. So I have my hot comb plugged in already. Not my hot comb, my flat iron. It'll be in the description box. But y'all, okay. If this wig don't turn out right, y'all will be so mad. I don't even know where to start. I'm gonna be using this to help me like get it silky looking, literally just a little bit, because this stuff goes a long way. It's looking crazy, but I feel like after I straighten it, it'll look better. Obviously, these bangs are already kind of irritating me, so who knows. I feel like I should just put the bangs in the ponytail. Okay y'all, so I straightened the wig and I just turned my hot comb in. It's not as simple as I thought it was gonna be. I'm gonna go in and fix this, but now I'm gonna take this wax stick and try to fix this part. I know in my unboxing I said I was gonna bleach the knots and pluck it. This is not like a regular wig. I don't have to do all that, so I didn't do all that. Really can't even see. I just feel like a hot comb will make this all better. Hot combs make everything better. Okay, Beauty Forever, let's see what this wig is all about. I'm about to straighten this bang, and then I'm gonna bump the ends because I don't like the bone straight look on this wig because it's not even. So I gotta plug back in my hot comb, but I like what the hot, not the hot comb, I gotta plug back in my flat iron, but so far I like what the hot comb did. It kind of made some of the hair just be still. Should I just straighten it or should I bump it? I don't do bangs, y'all. I don't even know why I got this wig. It's because I want to try something different, but I don't know. My mama calling me. Hello?
You want a cookie from American Cookie Company?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can just give me chocolate chip.
You want a slice or a cookie?
Cookie.
Alright.
Bye. Yeah, she just called me to ask me if I wanted a cookie. I'm gonna keep that in. You gotta be real careful, child. Move your head one way, your bang gonna look crazy. So right now I'm really just straightening it, but adding a little bump at the end. So I'm going to cut it. It don't look that bad no more. I still am a little bit iffy about it. I'm gonna cut some of it. Or I could just push my bob back. That works. Should I push it back up? I'll be talking like y'all can respond. Too bad. Let me see how it look on Instagram. If it don't look right on Instagram, I'm gonna move it back up, then I'm gonna cut it. But a hack for this wig is if it's too long and it's coming over your lashes, you can just push the bob back. Ooh, not the bob, you can push the wig back. So let me see how it look on Instagram. Oh, y'all, it don't look that bad. So it don't look that bad. I actually think this is gonna be the end of the video. I didn't glue it down. If you want to know the specific details on this wig as to when I when I ordered it, when it got shipped, when it got delivered, you can go watch, hold up, you can go watch my unboxing video. But this is an 18-inch. It'll be in the description box as far as like the density. I ordered it from the official site, not the AliExpress site, and I actually like it. I like it more than I bumped when I now that I bumped the ends, because bone straight would not have looked right. I liked it. It's giving me like, who is this giving me, y'all? Name my wig in the comment section. Like, I need to name this wig. I don't know if it's giving me Hard Barbie, if it's giving me like, who be wearing bangs like this? I like this a lot. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to achieve this look, just straighten the wig and then bump the ends, and then put a little slight bump at the front for the bang. Really don't need anything but a flat iron. I use my hot comb because I just love my hot comb. My hot comb makes everything look better. So thank you for watching. It's really short, y'all. This is an 8-inch. Do y'all hear that? My little boy playing the game. He is so annoying. But yeah, kind of wish I would have got a 10-inch, but y'all, it's okay. Like, I've never had an 8-inch bob, and I've never had an 8-inch bob with a bang, or a bob with a bang in general. So I like it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I actually thought I was gonna have to do more work to it, but it looks good. And now I'm about to go take some pictures. So follow me on Instagram. My social media will be in the description box. Thank you for watching.